Huge amounts of snow continue to fall throughout Europe. Andorra has experienced over a meter of snow in just a few days, following moderate to heavy snowfall in the previous 2 weeks. Many cities warn that access roads are becoming more and more difficult and that the need to carry chains is critical. They also warn that the risk of avalanches on the approaches to the mountains is extremely high. Meanwhile, in the French Pyrenees, the Pialengali ski resort is closed due to snow. It is also reported about the danger of an avalanche in the Pyrenees at 4/5. More than a meter of snow has fallen here in recent days, and the depth of its upper base is approaching 3 meters, 10 feet, which is good news for the rest of the season. This amount of snowfall at such an early time of winter is unusual, and once the avalanche risk diminishes, this is good news for the bases early in the season, when all ski areas in Europe may now reopen for the first time since March last year.
¡Ven aquí, Armando, salta, que te recojo en mis brazos! ¡Vamos! ¡Madre de Dios bendito!
En aquesta zona, va ser un favor de retirar-los quan procedia a la pleta de neu. Gràcies.